I got some mail. As near as I can tell, everything involves SMA connectors. There's two sellers here. The first seller sold me one item, well actually 20 items, but all the same one. The order was placed on June 5th and it was received on June 18th. The second seller sold the rest of it. It was ordered on June 4th and arrived on the 18th. So that's not bad delivery time. Both of these are from China. Both are eBay brokered purchases. So the first one is this one. You need to be careful because one of these packages contains cables. So these are 20 pieces of male by female right angle connectors. I ordered 10 pieces 2 times. So 20 came to almost $20 or $1 a piece for these angles. $1 a piece for these angle connectors. And this was purchased from CAO 19961023. Another package here, and I want to be careful now. A right angle by BNC. Two straight by straight male 4-inch cables. And 3 straight male by right angle male. Oh, here's some more. So these are straight by angle, and these are angle by angle. Then I have a bag of fittings here. So these are BNC male by SMA male. 3 of these. Then I have some male by male connectors and some female by female connectors. 2 pieces of female by female bulkhead connectors. So let's do some pricing here. I have 5 pieces of these straight male by male. 5 pieces cost, say, $1 a piece, $5.22. Then I have these. I got BNC male by SMA male. Apparently I could have selected anything I wanted, but I ordered BNC male by SMA male. 3 of these cost $4.50. The bulkhead fittings, the female to female bulkhead fittings, 2 pieces were $2.38. This fellow, which is a right angle SMA by female BNC, 6 inches. This is a 6-inch male right angle SMA by female bulkhead BNC, 6 inches, $3. These simple little female SMA by female SMA. I got 3 of these, and they were like $1.33 a piece. Okay, we got 4-inch male by male, 2 of them for $2, $1 a piece. A 4-inch right angle male by right angle male, 2 pieces cost $6, so about $3 a piece for these. A right angle by straight male, 4 inches, 3 pieces are $1 a piece. And this whole last batch was sold by Superstore _ Dan. And if we totaled up all these individual prices and subtracted from this, we could see what the shipping price was. It's easy to do up here. I paid $19, and it cost me, what, $2.17? $2.20, say, shipping. This package actually came from the Czech Republic. And it says, I guess this is a CN22. It says all copper socket. I don't know what that means. This is a mixture of male and female coaxial connectors. And I think I have made a mistake. I'll have to look. This is the seller's page for the 10 pieces of panel mount connectors. The same order included some opposite sex cord connectors. And these came from, according to the return address, they came from the Czech Republic, or according to the eBay seller, they came from Taiwan via SpeedPack, which certainly was not the case. And the seller was Good Jewelry 8. And 10 pieces cost $2.25. I have another package, once again, from the Czech Republic, the Czech Postal Service. Okay, the CN22 would say it contains UHF FJJ-8. Was valued in euro, which makes sense. These are banana plugs by BNC connectors. And these are, I don't like these. These are the kind of connectors that have the rotating springs on them. I guess these are SO style or UHF by BNC. And here's a right angle UHF by BNC. The eBay seller And he gave a Chinese tracking number, which is not valid. And here's the prices. The straight SO by, okay, these are SO by F connector. That's why they look different. 3 of them for $7. 2 of the B and C adapters for $4. And 3 of the right angle UHF by BNC for $5. Total was $16.20, so the difference will be shipping. And the eBay seller, I'll let you spell that out. This is a package from AliExpress. Actually contains 2 items. This is actually a 10 megahertz band pass filter. 10 meg BPF as compared to an LPF, a low pass filter, and an HPF, a high pass filter. So you'll notice it consists of a row of passive components. The first 2 are capacitors, the second 2 are inductors. And then it has an identical number of passive components. The first one connected at T-shaped and then connected to ground, or common, is an inductor. And then a capacitor, T-shaped, capacitor and capacitor. It is supposedly 50 ohms in and out. A little tiny bit more than an inch by ½ inch, not counting the SMA connectors at each end. And this costs $9 each. I bought 2, but this is the price of 1. Free shipping. The estimated delivery on July 25th. Today is June 23rd. So that's pretty good shipping. I have this little band pass filter hooked up. This is coming from my 10 megahertz QRP Labs GPS stabilized oscillator. This is going to channel 1, which is the yellow channel on my oscilloscope. This is a 52 ohm termination, and this goes to channel 2. Channel 1 is a quasi square wave, which is the output from my oscillator. This is the output from the bandpass filter. Now, any kind of a distorted fundamental frequency, not necessarily modulated, but funny looking, is because of increasing harmonic, both odd and even, present in addition to the fundamental. Most of these that make a square wave, in fact all of the ones that make a square wave, are odd harmonics. 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th. So those are all taken out by a bandpass filter that has a cutoff somewhere above 10 megahertz, but below, say, 20. And you get a practically perfect sine wave. Now, there is some attenuation. Let me put these on top of each other. Now, the reason there's attenuation is because the energy in these odd harmonics has been removed. When the harmonic goes away, so does the energy contained in them. And since this is energy expressed as volts across the 52 ohm load, we have a slightly lower output voltage.